Hi everyone, and welcome to another Workshop Wednesday. My name is Emma. I'm a wellness coach here at Empowering Wellness Counseling Solutions, and we are on week 1 of our July Wellness Challenge. So welcome to this space if you're new here. We host interactive workshops on Wednesdays with me, and on Mondays you'll see a video from our licensed mental health counselor and our lead brain coach that really dives into the monthly wellness topic. We put it into practice on Wednesdays. So that's what we're doing here today. And we are grounding into this month, rooting down and understanding where we're coming from when it comes to our growth journey. So focusing on what growth looks like for us and how we integrate this into our day-to-day life. So today in our Workshop Wednesday, we're diving into this and making it interactive with our activity. So let's get started. For today's practice, we're going to be moving around a little bit and stretching, so feel free to stand up and do this practice with me. So we're just going to start off by taking a deep breath in through the nose and an exhale through the mouth. Then we're going to start to just wiggle the body, shake the body out. Sometimes we can just be sitting all day and forget to take a moment of pause to get up and move. And if you've already done some movement today, we're doing a little bit extra. So continue to shake it out however you need. Shake the legs out. Nod the head yes. Nod the head no. Pausing wherever feels good. Staying within what feels comfortable, knowing that stretching can help, but we don't want to overstretch. So we're going to start off by just crossing the left arm in front, stretching out the shoulders here. Notice if that left shoulder wants to come up, rooting it down. Taking a moment, a couple breaths, and this stretch. Releasing, shaking it out again, and crossing the other arm over. Relaxing that shoulder down. Shaking it out again, releasing. This time we're going to drop the neck down, look towards the ground. And we're going to notice if our shoulders start to concave forward, that we keep them kind of tucked into our back pocket. So they come up, back, and down. And we're going to continue that motion, up, back, down. Pausing at the bottom, letting gravity do some of the work here. Then reversing that, going up, back, and down. Now we're going to come more forward, the rotation of the shoulder inward. Moving one at a time. Maybe adding a little dance into it. Taking your time here, shaking it out. Shaking out the legs. Then we're going to lift the arms all the way up to the sky. Inhale on the up. Exhale on the down. The shoulders are going to release down towards the back. So inhale, they come up. These little micro movements. Exhale, they come down. Inhale up. And exhale all the way down. Arms come to the side. Shaking it out one more time before we take 3 deep breaths together. So finding that neutral standing stance. Then even noticing right now where your feet are in contact with the ground. Putting the arms to the side, and then we'll inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Last one, pausing at the top. And exhale through the mouth. Let it all out, shake it all out. Thank you for joining on today's Workshop Wednesday, where we got a little more movement into the day. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Come back to this one whenever you need, and I look forward to seeing you again.